Stability of the coordination compounds. Last class I discussed crystal field theory of coordination compounds. That theory explains only the color of the coordination compound, but the theory do not explain stability of the coordination compound. Now I am going to discuss stability of the coordination compound. Stability of the coordination compound do not explains valency bond theory of the coordination compounds, crystal field theory of the coordination compounds, and Werner theory of the coordination compounds. But the stability of the coordination compounds are depending upon so many factors. For example, one of the tetrahedral complex formation is observed. So this is a central metal. It is denoted as letter M. Central metal bind with one ligand to produce adduct with the central metal atom, ligand adduct with the central metal atom. This reaction dissociation constant is it's indicated as similar to this is the equilibrium constant. It is expressed K1, means this is a first reaction. So generally 4 ligands are involved in this process, 4 reactions are possible. So this mechanism is observed. The monodentate ligand ML1, so M is the central atom, L1 is indicated as first ligand. So it is a monodentate ligand bind with another ligand to produce ML2, means central metal atom coordinated with 2 ligands. So this constant, the dissociation constant or equilibrium constant is expressed K2. In this reaction is indicates K2. The first reaction is indicates K1, and only 2 ligands are there. So next one, this binding product like ML2 react with another ligand, so to produce ML3. This reaction constant is indicated as K3. Okay, and next one, fourth step in this reaction is observed. The ML3 bind with another ligand to produce ML4. So means this reaction constant is expressed K4. Means in these steps are observed. So the central metal atom bind with 4 ligands in 4 different ways. So the first way is that constant is expressed K1. The second one is that constant expressed K2. The third one that constant is expressed K3. Fourth one is constant is expressed K4. So the formation of tetrahedral complex, that reaction formation constant K is equal K is equal. So our aim is to calculate the formation of constant, means the formation of tetrahedral complex, the formation constant is expressed as symbol K. For example, the K1 value is expressed. K1 means the equilibrium constant according to law of mass action, the concentration of products divided by the concentration of reactants, means the concentration of ML1 by concentration of products by concentration of reactant, concentration of M into concentration of L1. Okay, so the equilibrium constant K2 is equal, so ML2, concentration of ML2 by concentration of ML1 into L, means it is indicates as a ligand, it is expressed symbol L. This is expressed L. Okay, and next one K3. K3 is equal concentration of Ml3 by concentration of Ml2 into concentration of L. Okay, next K4, the equilibrium constant K4 is equal concentration of Ml4 by concentration of Ml3 into concentration of L. Okay, so these four equilibrium constants are multiplied with one another, like K1 into K2 into K3 into K4 is equal to, so Ml1 by concentration of M into concentration of L into Ml2 by concentration of Ml1 into concentration of L into concentration of Ml3 by concentration of Ml2 into L into concentration of Ml4 by concentration of Ml3 into L. Okay, these are the multiple with four equilibrium constant reactions. So, okay, Ml3 cancel, Ml2 cancel, Ml1 cancel. Finally, the reaction K1 into K2 into K3 into K4 is equal to concentration of Ml4 whole divided by concentration of M into concentration of L whole power 4. This is a total reaction equilibrium constant. Then the K value is observed. The direct step in this formation of complex M plus 4L gives rise to Ml4. This is a direct step for the formation of tetrahedral complex. So this reaction equilibrium constant is expressed symbol K. It is expressed symbol K. Okay, the equilibrium constant according to law of mass action, the concentration of products by concentration of reactants. The concentration of products means concentration of Ml4 whole divided by concentration of M into concentration of L whole power 4. Okay, so this is a total, means the direct step in this formation complex means metal. So this is a central metal atom for the given coordination compound. It bind with it's coordinated with 4 ligands to produce tetrahedral complex. Okay, so in this direct step reaction, the equilibrium constant is denoted as K. So the equilibrium constant in this reaction according to law of mass action, the concentration of products by concentration of reactants. Okay, so in this direct step equilibrium constant K is equal to indirect steps, means 4 steps equilibrium constants are multiple, means K1, K2 into K3 into K4. So this value both are equal. Direct step reaction equilibrium constant K is equal to K1 into K2 into K3 into K4. These two values are equal. Okay, so this constant is known as formation constant. This formation constant K is equal K1 into K2 into K3 into K4. Okay, so the given reaction n steps are included. Formation constant K is equal K1 into K2 and so on Km. Okay, this is a formula to calculate the formation of constant. And next one, another term is there, that is instability constant. Instability constant. Instability constant. It is expressed beta. Beta is equal to 1 by k. So the given complex instability constant beta is equal to 1 by k. So these two contents are explain the stability of the coordination constant by using mathematical notation, by using mathematical derivation. So the stability constant is expressed on the basis of equilibrium constant. So the indirect step equilibrium constants are there, that values are based on to calculate the stability constant for the given coordination compound. But theoretically, the stability of the coordination compounds are depending upon, theoretically, according to theoretical concept, the stability of the coordination compounds are observed in generally the stability of coordination compound, the stability of coordination compound depending upon valency electrons of d subshell in main shell. For example, the stability order is stability order is observed in different types of complexes. So the number of valence electrons are involved for the d subshell of the main shell increases, the stability of the complex is also increases. For example, d0, d1, d2, d3, d4, d5, d6, d7, d8 and so on, d9. Okay, the number of valency d electrons are increases, stability is also increases. Stability increases. This is a increasing order of the stability. According to theoretical concept, the number of d valency electrons are increases, stability is automatically increases. This is the first point. And the second one, size of the atoms are decreases, stability is also increases. Size of the atom is inversely proportional to the stability of the complex. Stability means the given coordination compound central metal atom sizes are increases, stability is decreases. The given coordination compounds central metal atoms sizes are decreases, stabilities are also increases. And next one, electronegativity character of central metal atom for the given coordination compound. Electronegativity of central metal atom is directly proportional to stability of the coordination compound. Okay, so in generally, so many coordination compounds are there. That coordination compound central metal atoms electronegativity values are increases, stability is also increases. The electronegativity values are decreases, stability is also decreases. Okay, finally, according to theoretical concept, the valency d subshell electrons are increases, stability is also increases. So size of the atom is increases, stability is decreases. The electronegativity values are increases, stability is also increases. According to in a d block elements, like generally the central metal atoms are taken as d block elements. These d block elements like 3d series, 4d series, 5d series, 3 series are there. In 3 series are moving from left to right, or moving from left to right, or moving from left to right, are moving from left to right. These elements are taken as different coordination compounds. So that compound's stability is increases. That compound's stability is increases. Stability is increases. Okay. This is explanation for stability of the coordination compound. Okay. Once again, recall in these concepts. First one I explain. So I am explaining the stability of the coordination compound on the basis of equilibrium constants. So for example, the formation of tetrahedral complex is taken. In this complex formed 4 indirect steps. The first step is the central metal atom bind with one ligand. It is produces this molecule, means monodentate ligand. So and then after 4 steps, the tetrahedral complex is formed. These equilibrium constants values are calculated one by one by one, like K1, K2, K3, K4. So totally the direct step means one metal bind with 4 ligands to produce tetrahedral complex. This is a direct step. This step equilibrium constant is calculated to produce this one. This one is equal to, so the indirect steps equilibrium constants are multiple with one another, like K1, K2, K3, K4. The final equilibrium constant K is equal K1 into K2 into K3 into K4. Okay, this one. So the formation constant K is equal K1, K2, K3 into K4. Okay, and then the stability of the coordination compound is expressed this way. So the instability constant is of the coordination compound is calculated. This is the reciprocal of formation constant. The instability constant is calculated. So this is a reciprocal of formation constant. The instability constant beta is equal to 1 by K. Okay. So this is to express the stability of the coordination compound by using mathematical derivation. And I am explaining the stability of the coordination compound by using theoretical way. The stability of the coordination compound is expressed on the basis of the number of valency electron present in d subshell of the main shell. So the d subshell number of valency electrons are increases. And generally the central metal atom are taken as d block elements in modern periodic table. These elements valency electrons are increases. The stability of the complex is also increases. That is the first one. This is the first one. The stability of coordination compound is expressed on the basis of number of d valency electrons. And the size of the central metal atom and stability both are inversely proportional. Both are related to inversely proportional. Means the stability of the central atom is increases, size of the atoms are decreases. Means both are related to inversely proportional. And the next one, the electronegativity of the central metal atom is increases, the stability of the atom is automatically increases. The electronegativity of the central metal atoms are increases, the stability of the complexes are also automatically increases. Now these points are based on, generally d block elements are observed in 3 series in modern periodic table, 3d form, 4d, 5d series are there. These series are observed on moving from left to right in modern periodic table. In this series, involved in different coordination compounds on moving from